Hello friends, today we are going to discuss one of the very crucial and important topic, that is how to build a secure home network. Hackers are getting sophisticated day by day, exploring new attack techniques every day. Home network breach of one of the renowned journalists shows how innovative attackers are becoming every single day. Although the attack was primarily aimed at his online accounts, it started by exploiting weaknesses in his home network and personal security practices. This video explains how it exactly happened. The attackers used social engineering to convince Apple and Amazon customer service representatives to grant them access to the journalist's accounts. They reset his iCloud password using information gathered from Amazon, his billing address and the last 4 digits of his credit card, which were enough for Apple to reset his iCloud password. Once they have controlled his iCloud, the attackers remotely wiped his MacBook, iPhone and iPad using Apple's Find My Device feature. This has erased years of personal data, including photos of his newborn daughter. This case highlights how a single point of failure in home network security can cascade into total digital identity compromise. Very basic security measures can save you from these kind of threats. Please follow the next section of this video to know more about those steps. Always use strong authentication. Enable multi-factor authentication or MFA on all your critical accounts. This protects you from online account hack related threats related to your personal email or social media accounts, bank accounts, etc. Avoid account chaining. Don't link accounts together. That means using an iCloud email for password reset is not a good idea. Secure your home network. Use a strong Wi-Fi password, firewall, and avoid default router credentials. Always back up your data. Always have an offline backup to prevent complete data loss from remote attacks. Secure your connected devices. Use strong passwords for all devices. Suppose you have secured almost every connected devices at your home, but a single device is found where you had a weak password. Attackers will get access to that device and start exploiting other devices in your home network. Install antivirus software. Install good antivirus software for all your devices like home computer, mobile devices and tablets. This protects you from all known malware programs and even keeps your devices safe from advanced threats. Regularly update your device software. Never ignore to install software updates for your devices, whether it is computer, mobile, TV, or anything that supports a software update. How to build a secure Wi-Fi network at home. First, change your default router name and password. This empowers you to stop attacks that involve exploitation using default settings. Use the latest encryption option available in your router. For example, WPA3 is the most secure encryption for Wi-Fi networks, and it's crucial for protecting your data, as hackers cannot sniff your data even if they got access to your devices. Disable WPS. Old WPS technology is vulnerable to known attacks. Usually, every router comes with this feature enabled. Please ensure that you have disabled these WPS settings for your routers. Use a VPN software. If possible, please purchase and use a VPN software. This encrypts your internet traffic and helps protect your data from snooping. Stay informed. Finally, stay informed about latest cybersecurity news and technologies. There are plenty of resources available on the internet where you get this kind of information. Our channel Cybersecurity Hub also provides the latest cybersecurity information on a daily basis. I will encourage you to subscribe to our channel and keep yourself updated with latest information and suggestions. Good luck to you, and please let us know your feedback in the comment box. Do not forget to hit the like button. Thank you and stay safe.